Hey guys, Electric03 here. This is going to have to be a quick video on my Optimus Prime. Right. If you haven't seen the movie, the new movie, Transformers 3 Dark of the Moon, go and see it. I'm sure it's good, but I haven't seen it yet. I'm about to. But, this is my Optimus Prime, but it's not just a car, he's remote control. But he's better than you think. Okay, so this is... So yeah, very basic Optimus Prime. Something you will not expect if you haven't seen this thing before. Okay, right, ready? Oh my god! He transforms. These are the transforming buttons. So yeah, he's a robot too. Isn't that awesome? Then you press another button and he will turn back into his lovely little truck. Now tell me that's not awesome. Right, please comment on this video, tell me what you think, yada yada yada. Sorry if it's a bit noisy, and, just to say quickly, one sec. Okay, right, just to say, I got this really awesome thing, off eBay. That's right, eBay. Just type, eBay, yeah. Just type in remote control Optimus Prime and you will find him. So yeah, he's really, really cool, I'd say. And if you haven't seen Dark of the Moon, get off your couch and go and see it. Because I haven't yet. I really am hoping to see it soon though. But, yeah, because I've left it a bit long. I missed it at cinema, so I'm going to have to go and get it on DVD. I've got this game thing, but you can't transform. It's like a vehicle combat edition. And I shouldn't have got the vehicle combat edition because you're only a car. I think the proper version you can transform into a robot, at least I hope so, but yeah. Okay, thanks for watching. If you think he is cool, comment and like this video. Now, who doesn't think that's cool? Come on. Yeah, he's Chinese, because I got him off the internet, so... Transform! Okay, YouTube, so yeah, remember, look on eBay, type in remote control Optimus Prime, should be under that. Remember, he's Chinese, so if you're looking for an Optimus Prime that speaks English, don't get it. So yeah, he speaks Chinese, so I have no idea what he's saying, but I still like him. Okay, please comment if you like this video, and like it if you like this video. You don't have to subscribe. I'm not obsessed with subscribe, so remember that. And I've heard about sub4sub.com or subscribe4subscribe.com. I visited it once, but you know, I don't really hassle for subscribers. Like, yeah, a subscribe would be nice, but I'll get a subscribe when I get a subscribe. Yeah, I'll have loads of subscribers one day, but for now, they'll just you know, keep it calm. Okay, YouTube, I will see you later. Yep. Keep your videos coming if you have a YouTube account. If you don't, well, get one. So yeah, please remember I'm not obsessed with subscribes, and what I am obsessed with is comments. So please comment or send me a message, because I like that. Okay, see you later.